All right, Melusi Xulu is a legal analyst and he joins us to further unpack this. Melusi, a very good afternoon to you. Just having listened to the family saying they did not expect that proceeding to be as short and quick as it was. It is his second appearance. Help us place what the defense attorney said outside court there, saying that the state has no case. In fact, saying that he heard that the witness could not easily identify the current alleged accused on the stand at the moment.
Good afternoon to you, Nati, and to the viewers at home. Well, currently it's only for bail application, but obviously some parts of the merits of the case will be mentioned because remember it's Schedule 6 bail application, meaning the accused, Mr. Majola, has to prove exceptional circumstances why he should get bail. So Mabunda is simply saying, Mr. Mabunda, that at the current moment, the case is not strong against the accused. And if the case is weak, that might be the reason why, or one of the reasons why Mr. Majola should get bail. So I think it's simply letting the public know that from where he's standing, the accused should be able to get bail because the case against him is not as strong as it should be.
And from your standpoint, what do you make of it? I mean, he further went on to say the state actually struggled to place this matter on the court roll due to a lack of evidence. They took almost 5 hours to gather evidence and to actually place this matter on a record.
The unfortunate parts in the modern times that we live in is that the trial will be tried in the matter or the case will be tried in the social media. So obviously, the state is now under pressure, I assume, hopefully, safely, that the state is under pressure to deliver because the accused they have in front of them is Mr. Majola. And now they must make sure that whatever they have, it must stick to him. So Mr. Mabunda is saying they even took 5 hours to place the matter on the road, but it might be that from the state's point of view, it's not that the case is weak. Maybe there are certain things they needed to ensure or make sure that they are done properly. So at the end of the day, for now, we simply have to deal with the bail application. And if the state has a weak case, it will be a problem for them if they are opposing the bail application, because that might be one of the reasons that Mr. Mabunda will argue on and say there is an exceptional reason based on the fact that the state's case is weak or the person who's a witness could not be able to identify the accused properly. So the weakness of the state's case warrants that Mr. Majola must be released.
And maybe before I let you go, Melusi, just speak to us about this particular Schedule 6. I mean, Majola is accused of the premeditated murder of DJ Warras. What is the kind of weight that sits with these particular charges, and what are we ought to see then next week, Tuesday, given the fact that the defense is very confident that his client will get bail?
All right. If you look at the case law, Nazi, it's not really explained in definite terms what an exceptional circumstance is, but it's something that must be peculiar to the accused, something that is out of the ordinary circumstances. The fact that it may be that there's a weak case against the accused can be an exceptional circumstance, or if maybe he's sick, it can be an exceptional circumstance. For example, I saw him not walking properly when he was walking out of the witness dock. Maybe if he has to get an operation of some sort outside of prison or something like that. But it can be any other reason that is out of the ordinary. Then that can be used. But if the accused can't prove exceptional circumstances, then he can't get bail in that situation. But what we're expecting on Tuesday is that because it's exceptional circumstances, it's the accused who must start to prove his case. It's either he will deposit an affidavit, or he will get on the witness stand, or with one of his witnesses getting on the witness stand, and then he'll be cross-examined. But it might take a few days to a few weeks maybe, because the state will also be bringing their own witnesses, and they will be also fighting that the bail is not given to the accused if they are opposing it.
And one wonders to what extent this accusation of being assaulted will then weigh in on that bail application. But thank you so much, Melusi, for your time and your analysis. That's all the time we have for this afternoon. Melusi Xulu is a legal analyst joining us to unpack that.